Alright, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Just finished installing the exhaust on my 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan S Café. It's a little inexpensive exhaust I bought off of AliExpress for about 167 bucks. I mean, everything fit perfect in place. No issues installed. It probably took me maybe 30 minutes to pull the whole exhaust on and stick this one on. That's how easy this was. You can see this is a beautiful exhaust. You really can't see up in there, but so far I like everything about it, the fit and everything. As you crank it up, see what it sounds like. I don't know how this is going to work out. I may have to shield this some kind of way. ABS wire that might heat up. Don't know. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, definitely a little louder. There's only one baffle in the rear. I do have another tunable baffle that goes to the front of the muffler. Oh, it's got a definitely better sound. Nice and deep tone. Kind of hard to tell with the handle throttle. Yeah, definitely louder. Baffle should be on Sunday, so I'll go put that in. Of course, to set up the check engine light, but it'll take about 3 cycles to clear that out. I disconnected the O2 sensor. Disconnect the O2 sensor so I can hook it up, and they tell you it takes like 3 cycles of running the bike and it'll go away. But yeah, I like it. Yep. And you see there's a baffle in the rear. You can really tell it's kind of dark out here. So we go take a ride on the road, but it's cold outside and it is night. But yeah, you can check out all the welds and stuff. How nice it came out. 167 bucks, real good deal. I do have to put another spring on here, but I left that one off because my baffle comes in. I'll be able to make it a little easier to take off. Just the baffle in there. But yeah, I think I'll be happy with it. So once I get the baffle in, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Check back later on when I do some more updates.